Yes, children. After this, natural indicators, here they have given activity, means to show that China rose is a natural indicator. So, in this activity also, I have shown you this activity when we collect extract of China rose. Let's see here through this means these test tubes. I have shown you 2 test tubes that time, and in one test tube they have taken that acid, and here they have taken base, and this is indicator, means extract of China rose. And when we add this indicator in an acid, it will give us dark pink color, or we can say magenta color, and it will show the presence of acid. Means with acids this China rose gave which color? Magenta color. And with the bases, when we use this extract in any of the base, just like baking soda or soap solution, then it will give us color light green. Okay, so here through this activity we can understand that China rose petals, when we take extract of China rose petals, then they will also act as an indicator. So this activity I have shown you already. So children, in this here, in this tabular form, they have given name of different indicators, means both that 4 indicators: red litmus, blue litmus, phenolphthalein and methyl orange. Means 2 natural indicators they have taken here, and 2 synthetic indicators they have taken. And here second column, original color of indicator, means what is the original color of indicator, that also they have given here. You know that red litmus paper I have shown you, that is red in color, blue litmus paper is blue in color, phenolphthalein is colorless, it has no color, but methyl orange is orange in color. So here they have shown original color of it, but in the next column they have shown that color in acidic medium, means if we use these 4 indicators in acidic medium, then what will be the color change? So red litmus paper remain red in the acidic solution, means there is no change in color if we use in acid, but blue litmus will turn red when we use in acidic medium, and phenolphthalein also will not give any color with acids, means they remains colorless in the acidic medium, but methyl orange, which is orange in color, it will turn into red in the acidic medium when we put in any of the acid like vinegar or lemon juice or any kind of acidic medium. If we use, then methyl orange will turn into red. And in the same way, here they have given last column for the bases, means if we use these 4 indicators, those 4 indicators here, first one is a red litmus, then blue litmus, then phenolphthalein and methyl orange. So if we use red litmus with the bases, then it will turn into blue, and blue litmus will not show any change in color when we use with the bases, but phenolphthalein change color with the bases, it turns into pink color because it is colorless, you know, but when we use with any of the base, then it will change color from colorless to pink. And Last one is a methyl orange. It will turn yellow in the basic medium. Okay, so these are the some color changes. I'll send you pic of these pages also, children, so that you should know these colors, or these are the important informations which you should know, and many questions also we can frame from this column. So for the point of view of your exam also, you should make this table in your notebook. This is a new book, so if you have old book, don't worry, we will send you pages also as we read the chapter, and side by side you can use your book also, and you can compare these chapters or pages of these chapters with this. Okay, some new things are added here, and with the beautiful diagram, color diagram, this book has come. So we will send you pictures of these pages also. So next page, children, here is true or false they have given. Milk of magnesia used as antacids neutralizes the acids in the stomach. Just now I have explained you when we read about the bases. So it is true that milk of magnesia we use as antacids, means used during the acidity. Litmus is extracted from lichens. Yes, litmus is also extracted from lichens. Soap will turn blue litmus into red. You know that always acids turn blue litmus to red. So it is false. If a blue litmus paper strip is dipped in a glass of lime juice, it will change to red. Yes, lime juice, you know that it is acidic. So in acids, always blue litmus paper turns to red in color. So it is true. Phenolphthalein will turn pink when added to a basic solution. Just now we have seen that phenolphthalein is a colorless, but when we use with the bases or with the basic solution, then it will turn into pink. So it is true. So children, this is about the taught part. I have taught you or explained you. So up to this, you read it properly and learn them properly, that what is explained in this chapter, because this chapter you will study again in higher classes also, but in more detail. So these are the basic things which you should know properly. Okay, what are the acids, what are the bases, and how we can detect them. Understand? So next time we will study further about other topics. Okay, so Jai Gurudev.